Hello everyone. To install onX Hunting app, onX Hunt, you need to go to App Store, you need to have Apple ID account created, you need to be signed in, and then just go to onX Hunt. There you have it. And that's your app. Just tap Get. And then you need to confirm with Touch ID or Face ID or your Apple ID password. So that's how it works. And then you just need to wait. So it has over 20,000 ratings. It's in top charts in this navigation category. You can see all the features here. Then you can just tap open. And then you can just create an account. So hope that's helpful and thanks for watching.